Zach here. So we're back with another construction video, and yeah, a storm last night. Oh, you guys are down here. Oh, hi. Didn't see you guys. I was just about to come out here just to do some construction. Oh my God, what happened? What the frick? What the heck is this? Did the kids do that? Oh yeah, the drill is powered up now. Oh my God, what? I believe the kids did this.
No. Ryan said that one of the walls fell down.
More than the wall. Oh, the support beam fell. Oh my God.
Hey, come over on this side.
Oh shit. Oh.
We're gonna drill this down up here.
It's not thick enough though. Are you drinking beer?
No, Malta.
Oh, what's that?
Cuban drink. I don't know.
What? What? Really, Natalia? Oh my gosh! Why didn't you tell me when I was
How about we drill it in through
Why
here?
didn't you tell me when I was over there?
Okay, yeah.
Here,
Go
can
ahead,
you hold the camera and record me?
Oh my God.
Can you multitask? Got some scissors too. Okay. Sit right here.
Just freaking tell me now.
Nothing a little wimp. I think that actually right here looks fine.
I'm not good at this recording thing though.
Oh!
Yeah, it's at an angle. Let's do it right here then.
Wait, hold this. Oh, almost. Wait.
Yeah.
Alright, there you go.
I don't know if I can do two stuff at once. Yeah, so it needs to hold the camera. Jeez. Just film it this way. Don't do it sideways, or else the whole thing will be sideways and the vlog will be screwed up. Yeah, this is like my cheapest camera, guys, so don't judge the quality of it.
Here, let me drill it.
I got it. Yeah, you drill it. Not that good of a driller. Drill through here, Tyson. Through here.
You know why it's wrong?
Why?
You have it going left. That's unscrew.
What?
You had it going the left way. Hold this up.
Oh, I had it screwed the wrong way?
Yo, all your screws fell out.
Oh, Jesus. Wait. More. Okay, that's good. Perfect. Oh.
Yeah, so try to put those up.
What?
Oh, those.
I didn't think the storm would do this. Do you think?
No, I didn't think it would do it either.
This thing was the kids.
I don't know.
This would be called Psycho Kids Destroys Fort. Well, not on camera though, while we're at school. Because I actually was around throwing stuff over there, literally. Yeah, but that support beam, we need to do something about it. I was thinking of, I got an idea. Oh, the cardboard's ruined. Those are my biggest concern. My biggest concern was this breaking. Hey, I found a nail. Big one. So this vlog will be like 8 minutes, I guess. Just because my camera's not turned on right now. Yeah, because we had the shovel down here too, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
And I saw Round up there throwing it around. Can I even show you? Come here.
I'm good.
Yeah, there's tarp over here too. Like, yeah, I think the kids had to do something with this. Yeah, but we got like a cool path. But I need to cut down again. So yeah. Someone had to do this. Probably, I don't know. This might be called little psycho brother. Psycho brother was for, what the heck? This was my car. This is my car that did that. Brothers. Yes, they're so stupid. Yeah, so this is gonna be our support. Yeah. Oh well. Because it has writing on it. You do need a shovel though. Okay, where did he throw that shovel? There it is. Ugh. Got the shovel. Okay, so we're about to be at the end of the vlog for today, but well, there's water in this, so it would have been knocked over this morning. Because it stopped raining it started raining earlier this morning, but it stopped raining like third period. Well, first period between 7th grade. Yeah, but I'm gonna end up with this vlog, and I'm just gonna start digging and stuff, so see you guys later.